Baker is joining us. Hello, my friend.
Good to see you. I brought you half a beard.
I see that. That's the new thing.
It is. It's what the kids are doing these days.
He's here to show us what the new thing is. No, you have something really exciting for us. This is the Philips Norelco. This is a complete, yes, face system, but this is actually a head-to-toe shaving system because it's your OneBlade styler that comes with the body kit as well. So this is really, Aaron, that way that guys are going to get that close shave, maybe
that 5 o'clock shadow.
Yeah, that's what.
That scruff that looks good.
That look, right?
I know, and I do too. And that's, you know, look, in your stocking, if you're a guy, you've probably gotten some of these before. These are the kind of throwaway razors. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, honey. But what's great about this is it gives you the ability to control your shave. And let's face it, a lot of guys, they're using scruff, or they're keeping their scruff. They're keeping their 5 o'clock shadow. They're keeping that, and they want something to control that. The Norelco OneBlade is perfect for that. So I'm going to shave off the other half of my face. And I want to show you how close it is here. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to use the mirror because, let's be honest, it's first for me on live TV. So you can see, look at how quickly that hair is coming off. And you can see I'll do it against the grain too. Oh,
you can go both directions.
You can go both directions. And what's great about this is you can do wet or dry shave. So I mean, can you imagine doing this dry with a manual razor? That would be pretty painful. Yeah. I'm cutting it all right off just like this. And I'm getting that nice clean shave. Now I do want to point out that this isn't like a manual razor. This isn't going to give you that perfect, you know, baby smooth shave. But what this is going to give you is that 5 o'clock shadow, that scruff, that beard, make it nice and trim. Maybe you want to keep your goatee or have a nice, whatever it is you'd like to keep, you can keep it just like that.
Yeah. Okay, so you're getting the Norelco OneBlade kit. You get an additional blade, but then you also get the body kit. So you're going to get the blade for the body, you're going to get a skin guard for sensitive areas, and then the body comb for trimming. So it's a complete system. I can't believe how powerful this is, just watching you.
It's so powerful. The great thing about it, look how quickly the hair is coming off there. I mean, it's quick, it's easy, and you can use it both directions, and it's water resistant, so if you'd like to wash it off in between, you can. And take a look. I mean, I'm going over my mouth, I'm going over my nose, and you may be thinking, there's blades in there. They're actually moving at 200 times per second, but I don't have to worry about that. I'm not coming out of the bathroom looking like I fought a war. With the toilet paper, you know, you have a couple, the scars, if you will, the battle scars in the bathroom. It's quick, it's easy, and to your point, you can use this all across your face, however you'd like. So, just like that, a couple of minutes, you're pretty clean shaven.
That's pretty good. I mean, it is a close shave. It just leaves that little bit of kind of 5 o'clock shadow.
A little bit of 5 o'clock shadow,
like you said.
a little bit, just a little bit of scruff, keeps it looking good. And there are guards that we include in the package as well. So if you want that beard, maybe you want a little bit of a trim, we actually have Rob here as well. He's got a beard and he's got the guard on his, so you can see how he shaves. And he's got his nice beard. We're gonna just do a quick trim on Rob. So he's gonna start it up, he's gonna shave, he'll swipe down there, and you can see those hairs coming off. Obviously, he's got the guard on, so it's not pulling the same amount of hair off that came off of my face, but it's giving him a nice, clean, tight shave and keeps that beard looking good.
It seems like a really compact design as well that's really easy to use. So you charge it, how long of a charge can you use it?
Yeah, 45 minutes. I mean, so you think that took about 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. I mean, that's 10, 12, 15 uses per charge, which is really nice. And I mean, what I like about this is my wife gives me a hard time. I've got all of my shaving tools all throughout our kitchen, or throughout our bathroom sink rather, and they've kind of progressively moved over into her area. And she's like, can you stop buying like shaving stuff? Can you stop using all this stuff? And with this, it's one tool, it's easy to use, and it gives me the ability to do what I need.
Well, I feel like this is your complete manscaping tool.
It is.
Right?
It is,
this is something that your wife can maybe help you get behind your neck and clean up, keep that area nice and clean. You're able to groom if you've got the goatee or the beard, you can tackle that as well. But then, let's talk about all of the other areas that you are manscaping as well, at least maybe you are.
As much as you want to. Chest, if you have foot hair, I mean, anything.
Get
it all off.
Yes.
And with the guards, with the bodyguard, you can do all of that.
Exactly. Really cool. So you get everything that you need, plus the additional blade, plus the bodyguard as well. And I think that's spectacular that you have something that is so compact and cordless that you can go ahead and manscape and keep everything just nice and clean and kind of manicured, if you will.
Yeah, nice and tight. And I mean, what I can't get over is the fact that it's one tool. It's one tool that gives you the ability to do everything you need to get done. You're not using, and what I love is the contour of it as well. So I showed it to you on my face just a second ago. Look at the contour of the blade. Look at how easy that is to move. And again, the blade moves at 200 times per second. yet you're not worrying about cuts. You're not worrying about coming out of the bathroom with the battle scars. You're not worrying about having to wet shave unless you'd like to. You can dry or wet shave with this. It's just a quick, easy cut, and you've got your tool right here.
How nice. All right, well, this is $49.95. Normally $65, or it will be $65. So it's on a special price because we're getting you ready for the holiday season with great giftable items. And yes, you have the extended holiday return as well, which means you have until the end of January of next year to return any of these. These are the things that I love to get. Again, great giftable ideas for the men in our lives. If you grab a few of these and you don't end up gifting them, again, you have until January 31st to return them. But what I think is great is it's a compact, lightweight design. Philip Norelco, we know the name. I mean, it's just, you know, we think of.
It's a popular brand name. They're very well known in the health and wellness area, and they're very well known. And so it's a great tool that gives you the ability to do what you need to get done. And what I love about it, again, is we're all keeping those 5 o'clock shadows. You have Rob here that has his beard, but maybe just wants to trim his beard back a little bit, wants to make it look good for the date night or the anniversary night. He can do that with the Norelco OneBlade, and he can make it look nice and put it right back in the bathroom with one tool. So you're not using multiple razors, you're not using shaving cream, you're not using all of those things.
And that's what I like with my guy too. I like just, there's this certain point of hair that I find just so handsome, you know? It's not, I love when he's clean shaven as well, but there's something about that grown in for a day or two look. And I like that you can get that look. You can trim it down if it's a little too thick. Again, trim it, clean up the back of the neck area, simple and easy. If you're gonna be traveling this holiday season and you need something that you can throw in your travel case that's not huge and bulky, because I know the shaver that my guy uses is huge.
It's huge, and or you're using these old school razors like this when you're traveling. You know, you use the quick disposable razor. You don't have to worry about that. You can use this one tool, and it gives you the ability to do what you want to do from a trim standpoint. So maybe you want to keep the 5 o'clock shadow. I mean, Carrie was just talking about it. I joke. There's like a 2 or 3 day mark in my beard where I'm like, this is perfect. This is exactly where I want it, and then it gets too long, and then I have to shave it off, and then it's terrible again, and I have to wait 2 or 3 days. With this, you can get it exactly how you want every single day. And again, the contour of this, the contour of the blade, it's water resistant. You're not gonna have to worry about cuts. You don't have to worry about scrapes. It gives you the ability to go right across your face. The blade runs at 200 times per second, and it's water resistant. You can wet or dry shave with this, and just with a tap of a button, it's on and gives you 45-minute charge, which is really cool.
Nice, so you charge it, you're good for 45 minutes. You get the Philips Norelco, but then you also get the click-on stubble combs. You get 1 millimeter, 3 millimeter, and 5 millimeter as well. And then you're also getting the body kit, which has the blade for the body, the skin guard for sensitive areas, and the body comb for trimming. You even get a tip sheet showing you how to use all of these. And then you're also getting a 2-year warranty with this, which is really nice.
Which is great.
That Philips is doing that. So you're picking this up today on a price break and on Flex. It means it's $12.50. And then you have that extended holiday return. And you're gonna hear us talking about that a lot here at HSN, because anything you purchase, you are going to have until the end of January of next year to return your purchase if you don't gift it, if you're not 100% happy with your purchase, if you find a better value, if you find something you like better, you have until January 31st to return this. So please know that you're shopping worry and risk-free, and know that you're also saving roughly $15 on this.
Isn't this such a great gift? That's what I keep going back to. I'm like, this is this is actually something I would use, as opposed to like the stuff that comes in the stocking stuff where you're like, this is great, like I'll use this, and you never do. This is something
practical.
Yeah, it's practical. I use this every single day or once a week, and it's something I'll use throughout the year. I'm not gonna throw it away, which is great.
I love the idea of stocking stuffer, because I feel like I'm always trying to find those cute, because we do stockings for everybody in our house. I'm always trying to find those cute little perfect size things for stockings for the guys. So
that's right here. I think this is kind of the perfect, and it fits right in the stocking.
All right, $12.50. Any major charge card, 641-015 is your item number. Aaron, a pleasure.
Great to see you. Yeah, thank you.
All righty. Well, you can actually save more on this if you like. If you don't have the HSN card, you can go to hsn.com to read all about it, or you can call 800-695-1418. You can apply and be approved during our show, and you get to take $20 off of your first purchase. So how great to get this home for $20 less. All right, stick around. I've got more coming up.